here we have Darth. Darth's been a long-time supporter of the stream, and he's been a part of the community for how long? You been a part of the community for now, Darth? A few months? 5 months now? 4 months?
3, I think.
3 months now. He's made a pretty good impact on me. He provides a lot of value during the stream, and I appreciate the friendship we have now. Started as just coming into the stream through TikTok, I believe you came from, and
yeah,
now he is an active streamer within our Discord, part of the community. Recognize him when he comes in. Darth's going to ask me some questions today, sort of Q&A format. We're going to go from there.
So the first one is, I mean, obviously I know posting stream clips on TikTok is a good way to grow and post stream schedules and all that, but what other ways do you think is a good way to start growing view average, followers, all that stuff?
So some things that I really recommend is networking, and a brief explanation of networking is spending time investing in other people. Like, so you've invested in me, I am now investing in you by doing Q&A. I follow your stream, I have rated you. People in our community now watch your stream through the self-promotion link channel.
Yes.
And because you come to my stream and make an impact there, now people there come and see you. I would recommend investing in other people in the Discord streams, because then they will see, okay, Darth invested in me, now I'm going to spend more time investing, rather than just popping by once you put your live. That's a good way. Networking's a good way to do it. Another thing you can do is, diversify your content on TikTok or Twitter. I recommend TikTok for you, since you're so young that you really have nothing to lose when you do this content creation stuff, because you're at the point where you're not in college. You're at the point where you can effortlessly do this. It could turn into something fruitful. Like you could do this by the time you graduate high school. You could be making more money than you could with a full-time job, because you put the work in now. I would recommend networking and diversifying your content, whether it be posting, insane clips on TikTok, posting funny skits, more about yourself. Experiment with the content you produce, because posting a clip, that's kind of dead content on TikTok now, because back in July everybody was doing it. I would find a way to post a clip, also include like a little narrative about it. So like, hey guys, my name's Darth, I stream on Twitch at these times. Yesterday during my stream, I hit this insane shot. Take that content, spice it up, put it out there. Another thing that I would recommend to maintain your viewers, like you're over like what followers now?
I'm at, I think, 60 exactly right now.
Way to maintain those viewers is to create a place where I create a Discord. I would recommend creating your own Discord, or inviting them to a shared server that maybe of a creator that you really value, that has a setup for everyone to interact,
So one other thing that I had, so when I do stream, every now and then I get 1 or 2 viewers, which is great, but then I always seem to lose them because I don't really know how to keep them in the stream once they're there. Like if they're not chatting and they're just sitting there watching, I don't really know what to do to be able to keep them there if they're not chatting and I can respond to them talking to me.
Yeah, so I mean, biggest thing is to try to engage them in conversation, or engage them in the gameplay or what's going on. I know usually you play Minecraft with your friends and stuff like that. If you engage chat, be like, hey chat, what should we try and build now? Or chat, what are your thoughts on this? Or chat, how's your day today? Then you're at the point where you have just the right amount of viewers to where you can get to know that person by name, and get in there. You can start that conversation with them. Hey Bank, how you doing today, man? I saw you did this on Twitter, or I saw you did this on Instagram, or hey, I saw your TikTok, or but you don't have to follow these people. I'm just saying, like, you are pushing to get that 3 average, maybe finding 5 to 10 of your viewers or your followers, interact with them on their social media platforms, could then turn around and allow them to follow you. If you ever do make it big as a Twitch Darth, and I do hope you do, you're never going to make enough money to support yourself full time just on Twitch.
Yeah.
Diversify that content, diversify that portfolio, get yourself out there, and maybe getting that start to a smaller platform or a smaller something. Turn into huge. I got 20,000 followers on TikTok in 6 months.
Yeah.
So finding a way to.
I think I was on that TikTok when it was like 12, which was like 12,000, which was like 3
12,000
months
was
ago.
last week, Darth.
Was it? No.
No,
No, it
I
wasn't.
think you mean 1,200 because
Oh
I
yeah,
hit 10,000 followers a week ago yesterday.
Wow.
Any questions about future of BankRobber brand, future of what we're gonna go, next plans, anything like that?
What kind of thing do you think you'll do when you eventually hit partner?
I don't know. I think that's gonna be. I mean, I would like to think that it's gonna be soon. Actually, I don't know.
I think it is.
I have no idea when it's gonna be. I definitely want to get back to the community more. So I think that my biggest thing I want to do is inspire everybody else to stream. Good, Darth. Anything else?
No, I think I'm okay. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to BankRobber right now for a cookie.
Hey, I'm IrishKHGaming on Twitch or Limitless12 on YouTube. So the first question is, what got you into streaming?
I was inspired to stream by my older brother Nick. He wanted to stream and it's something he really wanted to do, and he was kind of doing it alone right away. And then I was like, well, he's really enjoying it, you know, maybe I'll do it with him. So we're gonna take it to the next level and kind of bond and build a relationship over that.
That's actually a really good story. What's your next goal for streaming?
Next goal would be to join a gaming org, get sponsors, elevate our community to the next level. You know, I want to turn this to be less about me and more about the community. So I would say, you know, I think a goal that I'm actually achieving every day is inspiring members of our community to become streamers. I've had people reach out to me and say that they inspired me to do that. So I guess more along the lines of answering the question directly would be inspiring people in our community to chase their dreams and goals with game or streaming. And then personal goals for me would be to join a gaming org, get a sponsorship or something like that to afford me opportunities to better our community in other ways.
The next question, what is your best memory from streaming?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I don't know, I guess. I mean, every day is kind of a wild day and every day is something that you look forward to and it's different. So I think one of my favorite days was when I played with Bad Bear Gamer in a collab stream with Nerdy Nine Tails and I Am Kiko Jax. It was actually my worst day of streaming ever, but I had the most fun because playing with those guys was absolutely insane. It was fun. It's totally unexpected for those people to reach out to me and want to do a collab stream. To this day, I can say that was the most fun I ever had on a stream.
Honestly, I feel that how streaming is. Like some days it's just like, yeah, you don't want to do it, but some days it's just go.
There's a lot of days you don't want to do it. I mean, seeing metrics that say you're doing good versus you're doing bad can be demoralizing over time. You know, if you have a lot of bad streams in a row or your community is not showing up to streams and stuff, everybody's got stuff going on. You can't blame anybody, but you know, sometimes you blame yourself for maybe I didn't do good this week, maybe I didn't do this enough, maybe I wasn't doing this enough. You know, you never know.
One question about the Twitch clips video, the #2 one, the one that was posted like a couple days ago, I think it was, right?
Which video are you talking about? Oh, the highlights on YouTube.
Highlights.
Yeah, that video. Yep.
Yeah. So were you the one that picked the clips, or was it?
Yes.
Your editor? Okay.
I picked all of the clips and sent, I think it was like 48 clips to the editor, and he chose 32 of them to use. That was mainly because of time constraints in the video. Sometimes not every clip is enjoyable to watch, and sometimes when you're putting the video together, the way the clips flow across from start to finish, you know, some clips don't fit.
And so, a question about those clips was, why exactly did you choose those clips?
They were recent. They were from the community. I didn't clip a single one of those things. So whatever clip is in that video was not clipped by me at all after the stream. These were clips that the community thought were good. And obviously you can hear me in the video yelling, clip that or something like that, you know, because I thought it was sick. And you can even see there's some clips that even before I said that, people were, you know, were lining up a clip.
Yeah.
But I thought that they were the best of the most recent clips.
So that was all like because I thought we were gonna have the editor in here. But...
No, you can ask questions though, and I can try and answer. He's in Europe, so he's a couple hours ahead.
Okay,
it's really late for him.
Do you know what editing software he uses?
Yeah, he uses Sony Vegas. Sony Vegas is a paid program. It's around $200 and something, I believe. Professional level quality program for sure. Like, it's a great program, but for the stuff that most creators need, I mean, DaVinci Resolve can do the same thing for free. So it's something to look at too. And I currently use DaVinci Resolve to edit all my other stuff that's not being edited by this editor. And I mean, I'm more than happy to give you some tips or tricks whenever you want them.
So, from when you gave the editor the clips to when he was done and it was posted on YouTube, how long did that take?
So I got him the clips, and then he had something to me within 26 hours or something like that. He's pretty quick to edit. He's a younger guy, so he just doesn't have like a family tying him down or kids on that time down, so he can make it happen more often. And you know, due to COVID restrictions, they're not really in school, I believe, all the time. So he's got more time to get stuff done. And with the time change, I could send stuff to him at midnight at my time, and that's morning for him, so he can get started on it right away.
That's all the questions I had for you, and some of them went for the editor.
If you're looking to, you know, to use him, I would recommend him as an editor. You know, he's open for commissions too, so that's something I would recommend.
That was actually going to be a question I was going to ask him. So, roughly how much is it for him to be an editor?
Totally dependent on the video and what goes into it. You know, you can't put a dollar amount on hard work, but you can put a dollar amount on time. It's totally going to be a conversation that you two would have to have if you did want to get that sort of relationship going with him. I don't know off the top of my head what he would charge you, but I know what he charges me, and I don't know what he would charge you, but you could definitely reach out to him, talk to him, and get that going.
And so any of you guys at home, what is his name again? It's
ProDrako.
Check them out. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Bank, for seeing me today. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you, Irish, for being on the video today, man. Appreciate you coming out from the community and interacting with us and doing this Q&A. And as always, guys, have a nice day. What's up, everybody? We got BankRobber here. Thank you guys for watching the Q&A video we did with some of the members of the Discord and community. IrishKHGaming and DarthPartyMan really did a great job by participating and asking a lot of great questions on growth, tips, and overall the general questions about me and the editor ProDrako. I just want to touch on a few things on a kind of a year in review for me and the brand as a whole. So we started streaming back in April of 2020, which is this year, and now currently it's December of 2020. And 8 months, we've gained 2,000 followers on Twitch, 22K on TikTok, 310 members in the Discord. We're averaging 20 viewers on stream. It's been a great year for us so far. We started off very strong during quarantine. We picked up streaming as like a way to connect with my brother Nick and help him do things as he was going to stream, and I thought it was interesting and I want to try it myself. Now where it's kind of becoming a part of me and something that I want to do for now on, I think. So 2021 is going to bring a lot of fruitful opportunities for me, the community members, and just overall the brand of BankRobber. So started off 2020 very strong, got affiliate in about 7 days. Rode out a very high wave of high subs, high followers, high average viewer counts. A lot of stuff going on for me for other social medias, and then we hit a very low as well this year. We lost about 300 subs on Twitch, and our content was drying up, so we had to adapt and evolve. Now we are at a place where we're at a really good spot. We have about 100 organic subs, sitting around 2K followers on Twitch and 22K on TikTok, about 80 on YouTube. We're working towards it. We're building a brand from nothing that we knew nothing about this whole process when we started. So I mean, we're adapting and learning and doing great things. 2021 is going to be a great year. So the biggest thing that happened 2020 so far is we partner with Ethos Threads for merch. Link in the description if you want to buy some merch, 10% off code as well. And this is huge because it's not like just getting Teespring, Stream Elements, or Streamlabs merch. This company reached out to us and we reached out to them. We worked out a deal to become merch partners on this. So huge opportunity for me as a person, for the brand of BankRobber, and a way to get a little bit of monetization coming our way so we can give back to the community more. So huge opportunity for us. In 2021, the goals are going to be as follows. We're going to try and get 50K on TikTok. We're going to try and get 10K on Twitch. We're going to try and get a sponsor. We're going to try and join a gaming organization. A lot of these things are going to be in the goal setting video we're going to release at the end of the year. So look for me in 2021 because I'll be a name to remember for sure, and a lot of big things coming our way. Check into the streams, join the Discord, guys. Get involved in the community and get connected. We're only going to grow. We're only going to get bigger. We're only going to get better. So be a part of it with us. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of BankRobber community for 20.